Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing something very special. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how you can actually brighten your skin using baby lotion. Today I'm going to be showing you that baby lotion that you've been keeping somewhere that you think is just for babies, you can actually use it to get a very beautiful, glowing, bright looking skin. So without further ado, let's get right to the video. So first off, I'm going to be starting with this lotion. This is the lotion I'm going to be talking about in this video, which is the Johnson moisturizing baby lotion. You can actually use this lotion to actually brighten your skin, because most people think that you only use baby lotion on babies, or baby lotion cannot actually give you a brighter, beautiful, glowing skin, and that is actually a lie. So today I'm going to be showing you how you can actually achieve that. First of all, you actually need to get this serum, this body serum that I'm going to be showing to you guys. This serum has been amazing, guys, and this is the serum I'm talking about. This is the Dr. Meniere's body serum. This is the Dr. Meniere's AHA body serum with vitamin C and E. This is what it actually looks like. Can you see it, guys? This is a body serum. You know, we know about face serums and all that, but we don't really look into body serum, and this is actually what a body serum looks like. This is something that you're going to pair with this, and this two combo is going to give you a flawless, glowing, beautiful skin. Guys, I'm telling you, these two combos, when you mix these things together, when I mean mix together, I don't mean you should pour it inside each other and mix it. I mean, after taking your bath, I would advise, if you're going to be using these two combos, you should make sure that this is your nighttime lotion. This is the lotion you're going to be using at night. You have to have something that you're going to be using during the day, but this one is something you're going to use at night, because this is an AHA body serum and it contains vitamin C, and you know that vitamin C, if you use vitamin C during the day and you don't really protect yourself from this, your skin can actually get damaged. So that is why I'm recommending this for the night, because it's AHA, guys. So how you're going to be making use of this is, after taking your bath with your brightening soap or whatever body wash you use, you need to actually dry your skin, and then you're going to take this is actually what it looks like. Let me show you guys. This is what it looks like. This is already opened, as you can see. I just made a little hole on it, so it can just be coming out just a little. I don't want it to be pouring too much. And you want to take it like this. As you can see, I'm going to be giving you a demonstration on how you're going to use this. You're going to take it, and you're going to put just drops of it all over your body, like I'm doing, and then you're going to rub it in. As you can see, you're going to rub it in. You're going to rub it in. You're going to rub it all over your body, guys, and then you're going to let it sink into your skin for at least 2 minutes. Then you can go in with this Johnson Baby Lotion on top of it. Guys, that is going to give you a very beautiful result. Try this out and you're going to be amazed with the results you're going to get. This lotion is very good. It's not going to harm you. It is very nice. It is not something that's going to give you skin reaction, because it is made for babies, and most things that are made for babies are very gentle and mild on the skin. This body serum, on the other hand, contains vitamin C, vitamin E, alpha arbutin. It contains glutathione. It contains peptides. It contains castor oil. It contains panthenol, a lot of nice things, niacinamide, glycerin, very beautiful things, witch hazel, centella asiatica. This is amazing. This is going to brighten your skin. Though one concern about this is the AHA content, which it says 90% AHA. This, if you go through the ingredient list of this, you're going to notice that there is no major exfoliating ingredients here, and have used it on my skin, and I can tell you that this is not something that you should be scared that is going to over exfoliate your skin. This is a very mild exfoliator. It's not something that is going to give you it's not something that's going to give you issues because of the AHA written on it. You have to be very careful. But this, by going through the ingredient list, I can tell you that there is no major AHA, and this is something that is very safe. This is also going to brighten you. It says here 5 times whitening. It's not going to whiten you. I'm telling you guys, this is just a marketing strategy. it is going to brighten you. It is going to also help your skin to be firmer, and also, skin correcting, clears dark spots, softens and heals dry skin, because it also contains hyaluronic acid. This is what it says: multi alpha hyaluronic acid. It brightens skin, fully revitalize and strengthen skin, improve skin texture, make skin healthier, younger and tender. If you mix these two combos together, you apply this on your body after taking your bath, and then you go in with this lotion, this baby lotion on top of it, you're going to be amazed with the result you're going to get. This is something that is going to give you a very, very beautiful uniform skin, and you're going to be amazed by the results you're going to get. So guys, please, please, please try this out. If you're someone that you're trying to incorporate baby lotions into your skincare routine, or you don't know how to use baby lotions in your skincare routine to brighten your skin, these two combos are these two combos are the main things you should actually be trying out right now. So guys, we have come to the end of today's video. If you enjoyed today's video, please, 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 please don't click off, just subscribe, and make sure you drop a comment if you have any comments down in the comment section below, and I'll be more than happy to respond. Thank you so much for watching today's video.